Hey everybody, this is Chasanator1988, and I'm going for a bike ride. Yeah, totally. I got a bell on my bike. So, whoa, right there. But anyways, the core's broken up after SmackDown Christian's Hill. Everything is going on, and I'm back on YouTube, so everything's going on. Green light, yay. Totally. Can I make it? Yeah, because I'm a pimp. I'm not really a pimp. I'm actually lame. That's why I got a bike. I don't have to pay gas. Everybody's like, gas prices. I'm like, oh man. Yeah. I'm driving to the river and then I'm going to go get some donuts. Hey look, another green light. And a guy. I don't know how good my cameraing is with one hand, and another green light. But yeah, Wade Barrett walked out on the core, and then backstage they were like, the core's over. They as defining yellow light. They is Justin Gabriel and Heath Slater, but I don't know. I guess I'm gonna go to the skate park, show you guys what's up with the skate park. And there's cops, so fuck the cops. Unless if they're cool. Some can be like cool, some can't be. Okay, hold on. Construction. See look, a car couldn't make it through this little tiny spot. Unless if you had like one of those like hybrids, I think. And there goes the police over there. Davenport. Yeah, we got a skate park right down from my house. Totally. Whew. I need a shave too. I'm zooming. Zoom in. How about Alex Riley and The Miz almost winning a match if it weren't for the Raw GM? Stone Cold, guest GM. Oh, here's the skate park. Nobody's here because it's early in the morning. And that means I can record. This place is awesome. I don't know no tricks, guys, but it's the bomb. Bunch of this isn't really graffiti, like a bike tire. Just riding my bike around. That was gay, right? Make that up there. Yeah, usually about like 3 o'clock there's a hell of people here. But this gives teens what to do, and they tipped over the, look at these loaves. They tipped over the pop machine, wow. It's trashy. Here's the Davenport. I don't know. All Davenport's not like this. There's the bridge, Centennial Bridge. There's a post office where my eBay comes in, or UPS. Okay, hold on. Boom. Okay, what else can we talk about while I'm recording? Cody Rhodes and Teddy DiBiase. They're back together, sorta-ish. They're gonna face Daniel Bryan and Sin Cara at Capital Punishment. Oh, there's the skate park again. Man, maybe I want some Subway. It's right across the street from here. Should I go to the river? Man, anyways, let's get out of this place. It's actually a really cool place. Other than being trashed right now. People be partying. Oh man. I'm not much of a partier. I drink, that's about it. Yeah. Something else. I'm back on YouTube, that's about it. This is the video I wanted to just do. And that, stop, nothing. Cause I'm on a bike. Should I go over the bridge? No, I shouldn't, cause I gotta work today. This is an ice skating arena. It's called the River's Edge. And I'm about to go to the baseball stadium here in a second. Everybody on the sidewalk. I'm under the bridge right now. See, there it is. And this is where Georgiano Still's gonna be. Cody. Don't worry, it's not gonna be constructioned up when you get here. They're just making a new parking lot. Oh, there's people here. Now this is it, where it's right next to the bus station, Cody. If you watch this, and Doug, if you guys both come down, I don't know if you guys both are. Ah, it's all muddy over here. It's been raining a lot. Oh my god, the fucking farmer's market's open today. Oh shit. They got the best Chinese, but Modern Woman Park. I'm on gravel and trains. See? Oh my god, the farmer's market. They got like fresh tomatoes, like fresh lemonade. Oh man, I gotta go home and get. Wait, I got my money on me. Okay. Oh, mud, mud, mud. Mud, mud, mud. Look at all these muddy. Wow, this video has been 7 minutes long, and oh, I'm really in the mud. Look at my tires. But I know an exit. Farmer's market. Gotta go there. Get something. I'm fucking up these people's grass. Check this out. Dunk. And I'm on this side now. Oh man. I love bike riding. I'm on the bike trail now. That's right, cars can't come on you. Ha ha ha. Just kidding. They can if they want to. Should I go all the way over there and watch that guy fishing? Wow. Sorry guys, it's like 7 in the morning, so I'm around my bedtime. Go to bed at 9. I'm actually yawning. That's the Mississippi River. Let's see how fast I can go. If I fall, I never fall. Because if I fall, I can break a bone, and I've never broke. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, see that? I may trip up, but I never fall. Ah, fucked up my ankle. Ah. But anyways, ow. That really hurt. Check out my ankle. Oh man, scrape that shit up. But as I say, I'll never fall because I've never broken a bone. And if the man upstairs sending me a message, ow, that hurt. Please don't let me break any bones. If you guys don't believe in God, then that's your own opinion. But yeah, I've never broken no bones. Hey look, there's ducks in the Mississippi. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack, quack. Oh, there's geese down over here. There's all these bugs. It's because of the smell of the river. Hey, here's Rhythm City Casino. Oh. It's a cool place, I can say that. And here goes our sky bridge. Ah, my fucking ankle. I got metal, freaking, like pure metal pedal Pedals. Anyways. Wow. Well, I'm on 10 minutes. Mike, I'm exceeding your 15-minute video, by the way, if you watch this. Oh, man. Where am I going? It's like a little waterfall that's not going on right now. And another bike. I do have lights under my bike. I don't know what else is down this way. The lock and dam. Man, tired. People gambling this morning. Wow. PT Cruiser. Is that PT? See, I don't know my own cars. It's all gravy. Check this out. Speed bump or no speed bump. Chaz will never fall. I'm telling you, I won't fall. I totally slipped up in the like 2 minutes ago, and I slipped up real bad. Down here, I don't know what's down here. Another bridge. Fuck. Michael's really killing me. I'm bitching like a banshee. This is downtown. Oh shoot, don't forget I'm going to the farmer's market. They got some good ass Chinese there. And this is a lock and dam over here. And all that water over there, he'll get chopped up if you go in there. Can I walk fine on my ankle? Oh yeah, I can. Yep, those things will chop your ass up. Okay, that's not much of a view, but on the Rock Island side, there's a bunch of views. Okay. Gotta learn to pedal before I ride, right? Okay, exit. Should I go across the bridge? Fuck no, I ain't gonna go across no bridge. But maybe, okay, I will. For you guys in the video. 13 minutes, Mike. What's good? And I haven't talked nothing wrestling but Cody Rhodes. Quacking at me. Quacking at me. Duck off. Bird. Hey, in a pawn shop. Ha ha ha. I don't know who all watches pawn shows, but I do, I guess. I guess I'm gonna go up this ramp and go on the bridge for you. Oh yeah, I got a new camera. Because I haven't been doing my YouTube videos because I lost my camera. God knows where. And let's see, should I take the exit for the thing? And yes, I will. Meadow. If I fall in the river, guys, this will not be uploaded. But I'm on grass right now. What sucks is when trains go over this, it opens up, and then bicyclists must wear helmets. I got a big head, but I don't got a helmet. Okay. Illinois cops, they will ticket your ass over there. So, fuck them. Not all Illinois, but Rock Island. They're on some bodacious shit. Oh, man. Just riding. What else in wrestling world since I left? I know the Macho Man died, guys. The Macho Man Randy Savage. Miss Elizabeth. They'll be missed. Hey look, whatever you call that. It's like, I don't know what time in the morning. And this whole video, besides that time where I almost fell, but I will never fall. If you see me fall, that's like finding a 4-leaf clover in that patch of green shit. Because it's not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. See, I'm on the railroad track. Oh, ba-bump, ba-bump. How? Oh, I guess we can go up here. Talk a little bit of okay, let's do a little bit more talking than writing. Red light. My friend Mitch was in a movie down here. There's a bunch of parts. It's called what's it called? Megafall, with Justin Harvey and Brittany Murphy. He was in the movie. It was like a bunch of scenes, but that had a lot of this downtown stuff in it, like this Radisson, all these buildings collapsed. If you ever seen the movie, so it was a movie recorded down here, like that bridge like collapsed. It was really cool to see him, the movie. I don't own it yet, but when I do, I will, I don't know, do something. Hey, I'm at 17 minutes. Yeah, Michael. Okay, hold on. Gotta take a left. Not good with these left. There's a cop car just kicking it there. This is the back of the River Center. I got a bunch of stuff there. But the other day, this is the Black Hawk Hotel. There was an actor there. He died, like Cary Grant, and it caught on fire, and orchestra died, band died there. So you hear, like, you see ghosts and you hear instruments playing, and you see a woman's ghost. If you go look up the Black Hawk in Davenport, Iowa, like hauntings, that'll tell you. Hey, this bridge collapsed in the movie too, but Paranormal State was there, so they investigated there like 2 days ago, thanks to a friend told me. The waterfalls aren't going to be going on. This is the River Center. River Center. But there's usually like the waterfalls there in the summertime, so when it's like 160 degrees out here, you just go in and be like whoosh, jump in them. Yeah, this is downtown Davenport, guys. There's the Adler Theater. They have a bunch of cool stuff there. There's actually a building up above, a bunch of wedding shed and stuff here. But there's the Capitol Theater got shut down. Hey look, I can walk. I don't walk because I ride. Because like Christian, it's how I roll on these wheels. Oh man. There is Boozy's. If you're ever in Davenport, you can go in there and eat. It's a bar, but they have the bomb burgers there. Get the Boozy burger. I know NDK the rapper in Davenport, Iowa, and Rip Black and Controversy goes all there. They're rappers here in Davenport. They go there. Also, the infamous Ryan Olsen goes there. Shout outs to my boys. This guy wants to run me over. Just kidding, if you see this on YouTube. 20 minutes. Dude, I'm doing like a show, like a half-hour show. Too bad I don't have editing skills. Edit this shit and make it look cooler. Okay, this is more downtown Davenport. Yeah. My friend. Oh. It's a grocery store here. Grocery store. See, that's why I don't leave my bike kicking it outside, because it'll get knocked down. Here's all where the bars are. Got shenanigans. Shenanigans, and I never really drank there. I've always drank in the district in Rock Island at the arena. If you ever go to the district in Rock Island, Illinois, then check out the arena. There's a guy there by the name Mikey. He makes a really good Long Island iced tea. That's my drink over there. And here's Figgy. It's like a fancy art place. So we go from the skate park to seeing this U.S. Bank. And I used to be my bank, but now I'm like at a credit union. And here goes Mississippi Plaza. Oh fuck, I gotta get to the farmer's market. Okay, let me wrap this up. I'm going, and I guess I got a new camera. I'm back on YouTube, and yeah, peace.